What up 50 gang? So I went online, picked up some stuff for my 50. I'm switching up, getting off the street for a bit. So I'm bought some motocross stuff. I'm just gonna open it up. You gotta check out fatamx.com. World's largest mini bike supplier. And this was shipped to my door in 24 hours. I didn't think I was going to get it today, but sure enough, it came, and you know, like I said, I might as well do a little video, but let's get started first. Got some Michelins. These are, I got 2 staggered, so this is my front tires, which is a 2.5, 0, 10 Michelin. Nice aggressive knobbies. Check it out. Some oil. I like to change the oil on my bike all the time. That's what I use. These are the rear tires. So they're 275/10 Michelins. Starcross 5. Those are pretty dope. I'm putting them on my daughter's bike and my bike. So now I'm going to start teaching my daughter how to ride in the dirt, and this is the way to teach her. Got some tubes, 4 tubes, because you never know. Pinch a tube while you're installing the tire. And yeah, so that's so far. Let's see what's in here. I'm not sure what's in here. Okay. Some stickers. CRF50 sticker. Nice. Yeah. Team Honda. What's this? Oh, nice for the garage. Beautiful. Check that out. You know what's funny? I wore this shirt today, and I didn't know what was coming in the box. That's pretty mind reading right there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put this up in my garage for sure. So I'm gonna make another video putting the tires on my bike. I won't be able to do that today because I have family coming over, but honestly guys, check out fatamx.com. Is the world's largest mini bike supply, and like I said, like his website is very easy to use. It works very well, and yeah, 24 hours I have my stuff here. So I don't know. Check out fatamx.com. #1 mini bike supplier. Remember that. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Put your notifications on. Give me thumbs up. I have lots of videos to come. Building bikes, changing tires, whatever you guys need to know. If you need to ask me a question, leave it in the comment below. I've been riding 50s for 20 years. Actually 21 years I've had my 54, so it's been a long time. I've been buying off Keith for a very long time since he opened. And yeah, I'm planning to stay here for quite a while. And just in the dirt section now. So yeah, stay tuned. Your boy Cookser's out.